Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you can't tell by the background, if you've seen my last makeup video, this is the makeup room. Yay! So you know what that means, makeup tutorial. And today we are going to dive into the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star makeup palette. This is a first impression. This is going to be the first time I have put it on. I did open it off camera because I'm impatient. I can't wait and I wanted to see it, but I didn't want to do my first time applying color on camera so you could kind of see how the colors look and how they blend together and blah blah blah, how the fallout is. So yeah, but yeah, this is okay, and we're back. So I went ahead and concealed and set with powder my concealer under eyes and all that stuff. So I am using the Morphe concealer, as you can see. The one thing I will say is you do have to work a little extra hard to blend it in. With Morphe being such a huge company, they have a lot of makeup products, so you're not going to get everything right the first time. So that's why they probably appreciate customer feedback and everything. So I'm not going to be very judgmental, like, oh Morphe, shame on you for not getting this correct. No, it takes some time to learn from your customers and to know what works and what doesn't work, what formulas are good and what formulas aren't good. So as coverage, it's awesome, but having to work with it and move it, it does dry pretty fast. So you do have to use like a wet beauty blender or a wet stippling brush in order for it to move it. But anyways, I went ahead and set and baked with Makeup Revolution's translucent baking powder. And then I went ahead and primed my eyes with the concealer as well. So now on to the good stuff. Oh, the holy grail for the internet. The Conspiracy Palette by Shane and Jeffree. If you have not seen it yet, which if you haven't, you clearly live under a rock. Here is all the beautiful colors. I will say that the pictures that were posted on their Instagrams and everything did not do the colors justice. They swatched so much prettier than they look in the pictures on skin than they do. So today's look, since it is officially the first day of fall season, Christmas season, fa la 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 season, I am going to do a fall time inspired Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette look. So I'm sure you've seen all the colors and know all the color names. So I'm gonna go ahead and start, and I'm going to set my base color with my Pills and a dash of Tannicon. And that's just going to go right here, and I'm using a bigger brush like this, just so it kind of blends it out. And this is going to be the color brush that I use to blend everything in the end. So we're just going in and doing like a sweepy motion, putting that down as a transition color. And yeah, you know the transition color is laid. So next I am going to take a smaller fluffy brush like this, and I am going to go in with cheese dust mixed with a little of pigment. Get it? And tap out the fallout. So this is a first impression video, by the way. So this is going to go right there underneath the transition color. So far, so good, boys and girls. I am not mad about it. It is blending awesomely, and it is awesome. And this legitimately, no joke, looks like Cheeto dust. So it is amazing how realistic it looks to Cheeto dust once you've been sitting there eating the whole bag on a movie night or something. And I'm going to go back in with that last brush that we used to transition, and I'm just going to kind of blend any lines. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with a angled fluffy brush, which looks like this. See how it's got a little angle? And then I'm going to go in with Flaming Hot and a dash of the Cheeto dust, sorry, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to focus right underneath that color we just laid down. Kind of getting inside the crease a little bit. So I'm working more on the outside, as you can see, and then I'm gonna dust it in. And then I'm gonna go back in with that previous brush that we used to lay down cheese dust. And then I'm going to blend in any harsh line. Next, we already have the fade going on here. I'm going to take a brush that looks like this. It's kind of very fluffy. You see, it's like very movie. I go in with Not a Fact and a little bit of the Flaming Hot to give it that little red tint, and I'm going to work on the outer corner of the eye. So, you see there, we have that laid down, so now I'm going to blend everything, blend it down. Like you see, I am dragging that under my waterline to kind of get that smoke effect under here. I'm going to take a firm brush like this, and then I'm going to take just a little bit of Not a Fact, and I'm going to kind of smudge in that color so it looks a little bit darker and a little bit more like fall timey look. Since no fall is complete without a yellow, I'm going to take the shade Food Videos, and I'm going to wet my brush a little bit, and I'm going to pack on the lid Food Videos. But yeah, so far so good, and I'm digging it. But not least, I like to use my finger for shimmery color so you can kind of pack it in. So I'm going with Just a Theory, and I am going to pack it on the inner right here in the middle, just a little bit to give it some shimmer. And then right above my brow bone. I know that everybody in the audience for Beauty Nation is cringing, but I swear, for me, that is like the best way to pack in shimmery eyeshadows, is that way. So I'm going to line and put on lashes, and we'll be right back. That completes the Morphe Change and Jeffree Star makeup look. This is a fall time inspired makeup look because I also wanted to do a first impressions of the palette, and my impressions is that they did an amazing job at this. They did a killer job on the colors, on the packaging, on the whole like line itself. I didn't get a lot of things because they were selling out really quick at the Morphe store in Charlotte, but yeah, for what I did pick up and what I did see and what I did swatch with the testers, they did amazing, and I will definitely be trying to obtain more of the products as they start coming back in stock and everything. But yeah, they did an amazing job, and if you haven't had the chance yet, go check out this series on Shane's channel. It's pretty good, the behind the scenes on how a lot of the beauty world's products are made, and it tells you why they are priced certain ways and everything, because I know that's like one of the biggest points about makeup is how expensive it is. But yeah, go check that out. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you always for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.